Let's dive into the Math.max method in JavaScript. This powerful function is a fundamental tool for finding the highest value in a dataset. Developers rely on it constantly when dealing with numbers, statistics, or determining limits. Math.max accepts 0 or more numeric arguments and returns the largest one. If you provide a single array, you must use the spread operator to expand the elements. Internally, the method iterates through the numbers, comparing each value to find the maximum. It returns negative infinity if no arguments are provided, and returns nan if any argument cannot be converted to a number. You'll use Math.max when determining the highest bid in an auction application. It is perfect for finding the maximum score in a leaderboard system. You can also use it to set dynamic boundaries or limits based on user input. Now let's understand the code step by step. First, we define an array named prices containing 4 different number values representing cost. Then, we call Math.max and use the spread operator to pass the array elements as individual arguments. Then, we log a descriptive string along with the resulting maximum value to the console. Finally, the output displays the highest number found in our prices array, which is 100. This method makes number comparisons incredibly simple. Try using it in your next project.